So here's the deal. The Galaxy S24 FE is kind of like the cool cousin of the high-flying Galaxy S24. We haven't heard a ton about it yet, but the rumor mill's churning and all signs are pointing to a big reveal in the next few months. The word from the ELEC over in South Korea, and Talk Android's been chatting about this too, is that Samsung's already cranking out some key parts for the S24 FE screen. That's our cue that a summer launch is on the cards. Now, when we say summer, we're talking about that sweet spot between June and August. If we're playing the guessing game, July's looking like a hot contender. Why? Well, that's when Samsung usually throws its massive smartphone bash. And this year, we're all hyped up for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 to strut their stuff. It's totally possible that the S24 FE will rock up at its own gig, but squeezing two launches into one summer, that's a tight squeeze even for Samsung. But here's the kicker, a summer launch would be a bit of a plot twist. Remember, the S23 FE dropped in October, and the one before that landed in January. So if the S24 FE pops up between June and August, that's like showing up super early to the party. Let's not get carried away though, this is still hot gossip. But just between us, the specs we're hearing about are pretty sweet. A powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset, a shiny 6.1-inch AMOLED screen, a beefy 12 gigabytes of RAM, a 4,500 milliampere battery that'll keep you going, and up to 256 gigabytes of storage to stash all your stuff. If this all pans out, the S24 FE might just give its big bro, the standard S24, a run for its money. And that's the kind of family drama we're here for. Keep it locked here for more updates. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for videos.